Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. First, I need 1K, like in this video. Please support me. The Kenworth W900 RV isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement on wheels. From the moment it rolls into view, its sheer size and unmistakable presence turn heads. With its long, squared-off nose, towering chrome stacks, and gleaming paint job, this machine still looks every bit the long-haul legend, but underneath, it hides a fully functional luxury home. This isn't your average RV. It's a rolling blend of power, personality, and comfort that redefines what road travel can be. On the outside, everything screams power. The massive grille, the polished fuel tanks, and the big rig stance make it clear this isn't something built in a standard RV factory. It's a custom creation, often crafted by experienced hands who know what it means to live on the road. Most of these conversions start with a retired or modified W900 chassis, and from there, the transformation begins, every inch designed to fit the owner's lifestyle. It's part home, part showpiece, part powerhouse. Climb up into the cab, and the first thing you notice is how high you sit compared to regular RVs. The view is commanding, the dash is packed with gauges, switches, and the kind of rugged details you'd expect from a working semi-truck. But walk into the living quarters behind the cab, and it's a completely different world. The space opens up into a beautifully finished interior, with hardwood floors, recessed lighting, and plush leather seating. Slide-outs expand the room to create an open living area where you can stretch out, relax, and enjoy the journey in style. The kitchen isn't just functional, it's elegant. You'll often find real wood cabinetry, stone countertops, a deep sink, and residential-grade appliances. Many builds include a full-size fridge, convection microwave, and even a propane oven. This is a place where you can cook real meals, not just heat something up. Opposite the kitchen, there's usually a built-in dining booth or a recliner lounge setup with a smart TV, sound system, and even surround sound in some cases. In the rear, the luxury continues with a spacious bedroom. Queen or king-sized beds are common, fitted with memory foam mattresses, built-in storage, and mood lighting. Some even feature full wardrobes or vanity areas. And then there's the bathroom. Full-sized showers with glass doors, porcelain toilets, real tile work, and quality fixtures. It's a far cry from the cramped plastic bathrooms in typical RVs. Every detail is meant to make this rig livable, not just drivable. Powering all of this is a beast of a diesel engine, usually a Cat, or Cummins pushing out well over 500 horsepower. These engines are built to haul tens of thousands of pounds for millions of miles. In RV form, they're barely breaking a sweat. Add in a heavy-duty transmission, beefy axles, and serious towing capacity, and you've got a rig that can pull a full-size car hauler, a boat, or even a second trailer without hesitation. It's overbuilt in the best possible way. Driving it is an experience. Sure, it takes skill. This isn't a rig you take downtown for groceries, but once you're on the open highway, the ride is smooth, solid, and confident. Air suspension and weight balance make it more comfortable than you'd expect. And despite its size, many owners say they quickly get used to it. It's not about speed, it's about cruising, and there's no better place to do it than behind the wheel of a W900 RV. Of course, something this impressive doesn't come cheap. Depending on how custom the build is, and whether you're converting it yourself or buying it completed, prices can start around $150,000 and go far north of $500,000. But for many, the investment is worth it. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a home, a conversation starter, and a symbol of a lifestyle that values independence, strength, and freedom. The Kenworth W900 RV is more than just transportation. It's a home for the road warriors, a dream machine for those who refuse to compromise between power and comfort. Whether you're crossing the country or just enjoying the journey 1 mile at a time, there's something incredibly satisfying about doing it in a machine like this. It's loud, it's bold, and it's unforgettable. Enjoy your journey and like and subscribe and click the bell icon.